Knife in your right hand. All right. I'm sorry. Yeah, you've got the, and you do this and like this. And you're scooping the rice onto it. Good. Good. So put it here and scoop the rice onto it. Good job. Okay? So the handle should not be sticking out. It's still in your palm. Go ahead. Remember, the fork needs to be flat or it's going to go underneath. Good. Knife in your right hand. We're dining in the continental style. No elbows on the table. Put it flat. Flat. And scoop onto it. Good. You got it, right? Fork on this side. Yes, scoop. Good. Okay, so the handle should still be in your palm. So when it's in your palm, your index finger and thumbs are on both sides. So it would be like this. Yeah. And then put it flat on the plate and scoop onto it. And then bring it. Good job. You're welcome. Okay, good job. Good job. Let's see posture upright. Okay. The handle should not be sticking out there. So in your palm still. Okay. Good. Handle in your palm. Index finger sticking out and flat and you're scooping away. Good job. Let's see. Good. Okay, so how are you going to get the fork on there? The right? Yeah, the fork has to be flat. Pull your head up a bit. Okay. Good. It needs to be flat, or else the rice will go under it. Okay. So remember, the handle needs to still be in your palm. Okay. Okay. Good. Fork flat. Good. Good job.